Good morning, dear students. In our today's English session, we will do two grammar lessons. First, we will start the lesson number 12. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. These all words are known as pronouns. Right? Pronoun means the word which टेक द प्लेस ऑफ अ नाउन, जो नाउन के बदले हम यूज़ करते हैं. राइट? बार बार अगर हमें कोई नाउन नहीं यूज़ करना होता है, देन इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट नेम्स और नाउन वी पुट सम स्पेशल वर्ड. दैट वर्ड इज नोन एज प्रोनाउन. ओके, सो आई, वी, यू, ही, शी, इट, दे, these all words are known as pronoun. Now see, he, she and we are used for people, right? While it is used for things or animal. Second thing, I, you, he and she are used for one person, right? And we and they are used for more than one person or things, right? While it is used for one or more than one animal or things. So whenever we want to use all these words, we can keep this pronoun instead of the repeatedly used nouns. Okay, so first you will see the YouTube video and then we will do exercises of grammar lesson. And second, then we'll do one more grammar lesson. It is about is RM. That when we use is, with whom we use are, and with which word we use am. That you all know that with which names or pronoun we use is RM. But one more time I will also explain you and then we will do exercise. So watch all videos properly and do exercise properly. Okay, so let's start our today's English session. Okay students, open your grammar textbook, lesson number 12, page number 32. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. As you all have seen and understood through the YouTube video, right, that what is pronoun. Now here tick the correct words in the brackets. Here you have given some pictures and sentences. You have to find out that which correct word you will write with this sentence. For example, here I, we, he, am late, I want to go now. So with am, which pronoun you will keep? I. So tick the word I. I am late, I want to go now. Right? This girl is speaking. Now see, are a good boy, you are kind to animals. The mother is telling to the boy that you are a good boy, right? Here mother is telling, that's why we will keep you, because here in another sentence also you is there. Right? Otherwise for boy what we use? He. But here the mother is telling the boys, that's why you. You are a good boy, you are kind to animals. Third, there is a park near our house. Right? These are three boys are there and these three boys are talking that there is a park near our house. Blank play there in the evening. Who play in the park in the evening? We. Right? We play there in the evening. Then fourth, Minu went to the baker. Right? Here one girl is there. That girl is telling that Minu went to the baker. Now see in bracket he, she and it, these three pronouns are given. Then bought biscuits from him. Then for Minu, which pronoun we will use? She. Right? So tick here near she. Fifth, Gangu is a potter. Blank makes beautiful pots. Now Gangu is this potter. So for Gangu, which pronoun we will use? He. He makes beautiful pots. right? Then sixth, show me this photograph. Blank is beautiful. So she, it or they. Here these two children are talking about photographs, and photograph is a thing. So for photographs what we will use? It. It is beautiful, right? Seventh, go and wash your hands. You, we, they are dirty. See, here mother is talking to this boy, but here they are talking about their hands, right? So, they are dirty, right? Here we will not take you, but mother is telling go and wash your hands. So mother is talking about hands. So they are dirty. So in this way in exercise A, tick all these words. Now exercise B. Fill in the blanks with I, we, you, he, she, it or they. Right? So see here. Here also again pictures are given, right, and then blank. First, Mrs. Verma is the principal of our school. Right now, Mrs. Verma. So, Mrs. Verma is a woman. So, for lady, girl or woman, what we use? She. Right? So, she is very friendly person. So, here we will write she. Blank is in her office now. So again for her, she we will use. She is in her office now. Now second picture, see, Ram and Lakshman were brothers. Right? They both were brothers. Now here they were talking about two. So more than two, what we use? They. They were princes and they were brave. Again they, right? Because we are talking about Ram and Lakshman. Now see, don't drink this water. Here this girl is talking about this water. Blank is not pure. Blank has some dry leaves in it. Now they are talking about water. So for water what we use? Eat. When a new sentence starts with any pronoun, first letter is always capital. Okay? So it is not pure and it has some dry leaves in it. Okay? Again it. Nikhil and I are neighbors. Here Nikhil and I am talking about me and my friends, right? So that one boy is telling that Nikhil and I are neighbors. Blank live on MG Road. Blank go to school together, right? अभी किसकी बात हो रही है? कौन MG रोड पर रहता है एंड कौन go to school together साथ में स्कूल जाता है, right? If they live nearby, then and then they go together, right? So here we will write they. Sorry, not they, but we will write we. We, because I is there. So we live on MG Road and we go to school together, right? Next, blank do not want to eat samosas. Blank do not like them. Give me an ice cream. This boy is thinking. So, I, right? I do not want to eat samosa. I do not like them. Okay? Next, Harsh does not play cricket. Blank plays hockey. Blank is our best hockey player. Now, we are talking about one boy, right? Harsh. And Harsh does not play cricket. Then blank plays hockey. Who plays hockey? Harsh. But we will again not write here Harsh. Instead of Harsh, what we will keep? He. He is used for boy or man. right? And she is used for girl or woman. Blank is our best hockey player. Who is our best hockey player? He, Harsh, because we are talking about here Harsh. So he is our best hockey player. So in both the blank we will write he. Seventh, children blank should not talk when I am teaching. Right? Madam is scolding the student that should not talk when I am teaching. Means they are telling to students. Right? So here we will write you. You should not talk when I am teaching. Blank should attend the lesson. So again here also you will come. Okay. So turn the page. Now exercise C. Fill in the blanks with I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Again we have to fill up these blanks with these words only. Now see. Blank going out asked her mother. Right? Her mother is asking that, are you? Because Sarah was dressing. So mother is asking that, Sarah, are you going out? Blank am going to Neha's house to play, said Sarah. Now with am, what we will write? I. That Sarah is answering that I am going to Neha's house to play. Come back in time. Blank have your homework to do, said the mother. So mother is telling that come back in time and you have your homework to do, right? Because here mother is talking. That's why you will come for Neha. Okay? So you have your homework to do. So come back in time, said mother. आपकी मम्मा भी ऐसा बोलती है ना? Second, Kapil and Geeta were at the bus stop. Blank were waiting for the bus. So Kapil and Geeta were at the bus stop. So they were waiting for the bus, because we are talking about other two person. So for them what we use? They were waiting for the bus. Blank is again late, said Kapil. Here they are talking about bus, right? So for bus we will use it. It is again late. Kapil told that आज भी बस लेट है. Blank want to go home, back home, said Geeta. Who want to go back home? She. So here she is speaking, that's why we will write I. That I want to go back home. Blank should wait for 5 minutes more, said Kapil. Who should wait? They both. But here Kapil is speaking, so we will write. What we will write? We. Kapil is speaking, that's why we should wait for 5 minutes more. Okay? Now third. Now here Amit and mother is talking. Amit says, where is Papa? Right? So mother is answering, blank has gone to office. Now for Papa what we use? He. He has gone to office. Amit says, and where is Anshu? Right? So mother is telling, she is in the kitchen. Maybe her daughter, her sister. Amit says, nobody plays with me. Mother says, don't worry, blank am with you. So his mother is telling that, don't worry, right? I am with you. Okay, M is there. Blank will play together. So mother is telling, we will play together. I have a new game for you. Blank is called memory. Right? So mother is telling that I have a new game for you, and blank is called memory. So here they are talking about game, so we will write here it. It is called memory. Blank will like it. You will like it. Right? Amit says, can blank play it with my friends? So here Amit is telling that, can I play it with my friend? Mother says, yes, blank will also like it. Who will like it? Their friends. So for their friends, we will write there. They. They will also like it. Okay. So in this way, you have to complete this exercise in your grammar textbook. Okay, students. Open your grammar textbook. Lesson number 15 is RM on page number 39. Let's see. See here. Here one table is given. Through this table you know that M is used with I, R is used with we, you, they, the boys, the girls. With any plural noun you can keep with R. Right? Noun or we, you, they pronoun. Pronoun now you have already learned. And is used with he or she, or with it also you can use is, and with any one single noun or name. So here you can frame the sentence like this. I am 7 years old. I am in class 2nd. Right? We are 7 years old. You are 7 years old. They are 7 years old. The boys are 7 years old. The girls are 7 years old. Okay, now here second is given. In class 2nd. So here we will use it. He is in class 2nd. She is in class 2nd. Manan is in class 2nd. Anu is in class 2nd. Right? Now let's see. Fill in the blanks with is, are or am. Okay. So let's say. I blank Ritu's brother. I blank in class 2nd. So with I what you will use? Am. So I am Ritu's brother. I am in class 2nd. Ritu blank my sister. She blank in a play school. So Ritu is a girl, one name. So Ritu is my sister. She is in a play school. Right? Now third. Our parents very fond of us. Our parents are. Right? Here parents. Right? Father, mother both. That's why our parents. Our parents are very fond of us. Right? Means me and Ritu. We blank proud of our parents. So we are proud of our parents. Fifth, you blank good at playing carom. So with you what you will keep? Are. You are good at playing carom. I am not. आप कैरम खेलने में अच्छे हो पर मैं नहीं. Jimmy blank my friend. So Jimmy is my friend. He is my neighbor also. Right? With Jimmy also is will come, and with he also is will come. There blank no clouds in the sky. There are no clouds in the sky. This team blank not hot, and there blank no sugar in it. Blank sorry I cannot drink it. So here this tea, right? So what you will write? This tea is not hot, and there is no sugar in it. I am sorry I cannot drink it. So in this way you have to remember that with which noun you will put these words is, are, am. Okay, turn the page. Let's do next exercise. Exercise C. Fill in the blanks with is, are or am. Now see. Blank fond of apples. I am fond of peoples. Papa says apples. I am fond of apples. Papa says apples blank good for health. Now here Papa is telling about more than one apple. So apples are, right? More than one are. If one apple is, but here more than one apple, so are good for health. Our fridge blank always full of apple. Now here how many fridges are there? One. So our fridge is. Tannu and Amit blank my cousin. Now how many cousins? Two. So we will write here are. Tannu and Amit are my cousins. Tannu blank fair and tall. So Tannu 1 now. So Tannu is fair and tall. Her eyes blank black. How many eyes? 2. So her eyes are black. Her hair blank black and curly. Right? How are her hair? Her hair is. Right? We can't count hair. Her hair is black and curly. And then Amit is also tall, but he is thin. With Amit and with he, we will keep is. Okay? Third, Harsh. Papa, I blank very hungry. So Harsh is telling Papa, I am very hungry. Papa says, Pinky, blank, you also hungry? Papa is asking, Pinky, are you also hungry? Pinky says, yes, Papa, I am hungry too. Papa buys them ice cream. They eat ice cream. So, Papa buys ice cream for them, Pinky and Harsh, and they eat ice cream. Papa, blank, you happy now? So, Papa is asking now both Harsh and Pinky, are you happy now? So, Harsh and Pinky, now they are answering that yes, Papa, we are happy. Right? So, I think now you all know that where and when we use is, are and am. If you do more practice, then you can easily remember and easily you can write that which word will come there, right? Where you will put is, where you will put are, and where you will put am. So complete all this exercise in your grammar textbook.